YouTube, this is Assault Kid 1 here making a shooting test of the KWC 6 Sauer SP2022. If you have not seen my review about this gun, check it out. I forgot to mention that this gun has 315 FPS using .12 gram BBs. And it also has 270 FPS using .20 gram BBs. I will use the .20 gram BBs because it is better and it won't jam your gun like the .12 will. The mag holds 24 BBs, but if you could put one in the chamber and it'll be like +1, and it's 25. So this gun can hold 25 bullets, well, BBs. And that's it. And here's the shooting test. I'm gonna go back 50 feet to shoot this, as you see. Yep, it's out. I didn't fill it up all the way, but I am going to maybe next time. Thank you. Assault Kid 1 out.